Thousands of people book Benidorm this year. Before you do, there are a few things you really need to know. Today we're going to show you the beaches, the prices, the weather, the crowds, the best areas to stay, and whether Benidorm is still worth visiting in 2026. Most British people choose this end of Benidorm. Levante Beach is situated in New Town, end of Benidorm, with a big expat community. With hundreds of hotels and apartments, the New Town's a great place to stay. Lunchtime now and the weather is 33 degrees, hot. If you're travelling as a couple and want a quieter holiday, I would choose Poniente every time. It's less crowded than Levante Beach, especially in the mornings. Some great seafront bars and restaurants. Beautiful beaches with plenty of room for everyone. Great seafront walks for the evenings. There has been an old town in Benidorm since 1325, when Admiral Bernard de Sarriá, protector of the Kingdom of Valencia, on behalf of King James II of Aragon, granted a town charter before the notary Joan Creda in the city of Valencia, and the town was born. Nice and shady with the tall buildings around. Yeah, that's on for 5 minutes. The old town, still good for shopping, many bargains to be had. Great for bars, restaurants, tapas in Tapas Alley, and just walking from one beach to the other. just on the corner of Tapas Alley, and look at the prices. Over to the new town now. Daytime bars, guys. Some of the prices you can expect to pay for meals and drinks. Nightlife in Benidorm, it's absolutely fantastic. Down here on the bar strip. Don't better get too much on there, we'll get copyrighted. Right away. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's answered a few questions for you about Benidorm. Let me know if you decided to come to Benidorm this year or you're going elsewhere. Benidorm gets a lot of bad press, especially in the papers in the UK. It's not as bad as they're making out, guys. It really isn't. But you've got to make your own decision on that. Benidorm's perfectly safe as long as you're sensible. Don't forget guys, there's another Benidorm video coming up on the end screen. Go over there and watch that. That'll be the second one of the series. So we'll see you over there in just a minute.